ईशाद्या सुमनस सर्वार्थानां उपक्रमेण त्वा कृतकृत्या नमामि गजाननं। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। यो नित्यमच्युतपदां भुजयुग्मरुग्मव्यामोहतस्तदधराणि तृणाय मेने अस्मद्गुरो भगवतोऽस्य दैकसिन्धो रामानुजस्य शरणं प्रपद्ये। यस्य स्मरणमात्रेण द्वैतवासना प्रमुच्यते बोधात्मकाय नमस्तस्मै भगवते श्रीरमणवर्षये हृदाकाशे सदा भान्तं शान्तम् आनन्दरूपिणं ज्ञानभानं अहं वन्दे सद्गुरुं श्री सत्यसायिनं मम अन्तर्यामिनं। गुरुर्भर्युक्ता चतुर्स्फटिकमणिमयीं अक्षमालां ददानास्तेनैकेन पद्मं सितं भुजगपुस्तकं चापरेण भासा कुन्देन्दुशान्तस्फटिकमणिभा भासमाना समाना स्वामी वाग्देवतैः महिषद्वदने सर्वदा सुप्रसन्ना। कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरं आरुह्यकविताशाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलं। गोष्पदीकृतवागीशं ऋषिकीकृतराक्षसं रामायण महामालारतनं वन्दे अनिलात्मजम्। अञ्जनानन्दनं वीरं जानकीशोकनाशनं कपीशमक्षहन्तारं वन्दे लङ्काभयङ्करं लङ्घ्यसिन्धोसलिलं सलिलं यशोकवन्यं जनकात्मजाया आदाय तेनैव ददाहलङ्कां नमामि तं प्राञ्जलिकाञ्जनेयम्। आञ्जनेयमतिपाटलाननं काञ्चनाद्रिकमणीयं विग्रहं पारिजातधर्मूलवासिनं भावयामि भवमाननन्दनं यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकं मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं मानवयूतमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शिरसा नमामि। वेदवेद्ये परे पुंसि जाते दशरथात्मजे वेदप्राचेतसा दासीत् साक्षात् रामायणात्मना। रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। वैदेही सहितं सरधर्मतले हैमे महामण्डपे मध्ये पुष्पकमासने मणिमये वीरासने सुस्थितमग्रे वाचयति प्रभञ्जनसुते तत्त्वं मुनिभ्यः परं व्याख्यान्तं भरतादिभिः परिवृतं रामं भजे श्यामळम्। वामे गुरुसुता गुरश्च हनुमान् पश्चात् सुमित्रा सुतः शत्रुघ्नो भरतश्च पार्श्वदलयोः वायुवादकोणेषु च सुग्रीवश्च विभीषणश्च युवराट्तारासुतो जाम्बवान् मध्ये नीलसरोजकोमलरुचिं रामं भजे श्यामळम्। जानकीकान्तस्मरणम् आञ्जनेयस्वामिकी। The Sarga of Sundarkanda. Bhagwan Valmiki narrates how Hanuman searches for Sita and all the things that he sees. Anam, this particular Sarga is filled with so much of poetic beauty and rhythm. And even if you do not understand Sanskrit, if you simply listen to it, you will know what I am talking about. ततः समद्यं गतमं शुमन्तं ज्योत्स्नावितानं महदुद्वमन्तं ददर्श धीमान् दिवि भानुमन्तं गोष्ठे वृषं मत्तमिव भ्रमन्तं लोकस्य पापानि विनाशयन्तं महोदधिं चापि समेधयन्तं भूतानि सर्वाणि विराजयन्तं ददर्श शीतांशुमताभियान्तं या भाति लक्ष्मी भुवि मन्धरस्था तथा प्रदोषेषु च सागरस्था तथैव तोयेषु च पुष्करस्था रराजसा चारुनिशाकरस्था हंसो यथा राजत पञ्चरस्थः सिंहो यथा मन्दरकन्दरस्थः वीरो यथा गर्वितकुञ्चरस्थः चन्दो चन्द्रोऽपि बभ्राजत ताम्बरस्थः स्थितः ककुद्मानिव तीक्ष्णशृङ्गः महाचलश्वेत इवोच्चशृङ्गः हस्तीवजाम्बूनदबद्धशृङ्गः रराजचन्द्रः परिपूर्णशृङ्गः विनष्टशीताम्बुतशारपङ्कः महाग्रहाग्राहविनष्टपङ्कः प्रकाशलक्ष्म्याश्रयनिर्मलाङ्कः रराजचन्द्रो भगवान् शशाङ्कः शिलातलं प्राप्य यथा मृगेन्द्रः महारणं प्राप्य यथा गजेन्द्रः राज्यं समासाद्य यथा नरेन्द्रः तथा प्रकाशो विरराजचन्द्रः प्रकाशचन्द्रोदयनष्टदोषः प्रवृत्तरक्षः पिशिताशदोषः रामाभिरामे नितचित्तदोषः स्वर्गप्रकाशो भगवान् प्रदोषः तन्त्रीस्वनाकर्णसुखाप्रवृत्ताः स्वपन्थिनार्यः पतिभिः सुवृत्ताः नक्तञ्चरश्चापि तथा प्रवृत्ताः विहर्तमत्यद्भुतरौद्रवृत्ताः मत्तप्रमत्तानि समाकुलानि रताश्वभद्रासनसङ्कुलानि वीरश्रिया चापि समाकुलानि ददर्श धीमान् स कपिकुलानि परस्परं चादिकमाक्षिपन्ति भुजांश्च पीनानदिकं क्षिपन्ति मत्तप्रलापानदिकं क्षिपन्ति मत्तानि चान्योन्यमधिक्षिपन्ति रक्षांसि वक्षांसि च विक्षिपन्ति गात्राणि कान्तासु च विक्षिपन्ति रूपाणि चित्राणि च विक्षिपन्ति दृढानि चापानि च विक्षिपन्ति ददर्श कान्ताश्च समालभन्त्यः तथा परास्तत्र पुनः स्वपन्त्यः सुरूपवक्त्राश्च तथा हसन्त्यः क्रुद्धा पराश्चापि विनिश्वसन्त्यः महागजैश्चापि तथा नदद्भिः सुपूजितैश्चापि तथा सुसद्भिः रराजवीरैश्च विनिश्वसद्भिः ह्रदो भुजङ्गैरिव निश्वसद्भिः बुद्धिप्रदानान् रुचिराभिदानान् संश्रद्धदानान् जगतः प्रदानान् नानाविधानान् रुचिराभिधानान् ददर्श तस्यां पुर्यातु धानान् ननन्द दृष्ट्वा सचतान् स्वरूपान् नानागुणानात्मगुणानुरूपान् विद्योतमानः सदा तदानुरूपान् ददर्श कांश्चिच्च पुनर्विरूपान् ततो वरार्हा सुविशुद्धभावा स्तेषां स्त्रियस्तत्र महानुभावाः प्रियेषु पानेषु च सक्तभावाः ददर्श तारा इव सुप्रभावाः. You can get a glimpse of how it is, yeah? Just see how the rhythm flows, how it rhymes, the beauty of it. Several verses in that particular sargala. The meanings of Rahana meaning, very lot of poesy. Sundarakandam, this particular sarga is called Sundarakandam because of these kind of constructs also. Beauty of these constructs. You may not have understood anything, but did you not find the rhythm in it, the beauty of the repetitive words? And sometimes the same words come so many times. Vikshipanti. Each time that word is used, the meaning is different. 4 different meanings of that word are used variously, differently. 4 times the word is repeated. It looks as though he is running short of words, so he is simply trying to rhyme by repeating the same word. It is not so. Each time the word has a different meaning. It is the beauty of divine inspiration. We cannot call it the beauty of language, because any language can lend itself to such beauty. We cannot even call it the intelligence of the poet. What it is really in a divine inspiration. Adla the mari oru pravaham happens. Basically, what it describes the moon, giving various similes and metaphors. First, the moon is described, how the moon arises. Adukapram, eppadi irukku appadina hasto yata rajata pancharasta, it is like a swan caged in silver. The moonlight, the silver radiance of the moon. And the moon is white. How does it appear? It looks like a swan that has been caged, put in a cage made of silver. Simho yata mandara gandharastaha. It looks like a lion that has climbed up on the peak of a mountain or in a cave in a Mandara mountain. As it emerges. Viro yata garvita kunjarastha, or like a hero sitting upon a proud elephant. Chandro pibabrajata dambarastha, like that the moon is shining in the sky. After having conquered his enemies in a battle, the hero returns sitting proudly on top of an elephant. Everyone, how will he come? Like that the moon is shining now. And so not only is there the rhythm and the beauty of the words, but also the meaning, the deep context of it. But in Palavidamana, several such descriptions of the moon is given. So basically the moon has risen, night has fallen. Now Hanuman is going in and he's searching, he's finding all kinds of different kinds of Rakshasas there. Some of them are parasparam chadikama kshipanti, some of them are quarreling with each other. Bhujamscha pinanadikam kshipanti, they are patting their arms and fighting with each other. Matta pralapan adikam kshipanti, they are drunk, intoxicated fully and blabbering in their intoxication. Matani chanyonyam adikshipanti, and in their intoxication they are arguing and fighting with each other. Rakshamsi vakshamsya vikshipanti, they are showing off their broad chest and saying, hey, are you fighting with me? Rakshamsi vakshamsi vikshipanti, gatrani kantasu cha vikshipanti, they are caressing the bodies of their wives. Rupani chitrani cha vikshipanti, they are putting on various costumes and showing off. Dridani chapani cha vikshipanti, they are drawing bows, right? Taking the bowstring and drawing it to the end. The vikshipanti is one word. See how many times it's been used, and each time it's used differently. Again, all the women are there. Tadarsha kantascha samalabhantyah. Many women are gathered together in one place. Again, stata parastatra punas swapantyah, some are sleeping. Some are surupa vaktrascha tata hasantyah, some of them are very beautiful to look at and they are laughing. Kruddha paraschapi, some are angry. Adanale vinishvasantya, they are hissing in anger. We have all kinds of dramas going on in Lanka. Uratala Sanda, Uratala Kushi. Some people are enjoying, some people are quarreling, some people are fighting with each other. Mahagajeshchapi tatha nadadbihi, huge elephants are trumpeting in one place. Supujidaischchapi tatha susadbihi, somewhere respected people are being worshipped. Respected people, worshipable people are walking around. Raraja Viraischa Vinishvasadbihi, some places like heroes are there, it's in Virai, Vira Valla. They're all sighing. Heroes are sighing. No, what to do? I have no competitor. I have nobody to show my valor off to. I've already won over everybody. They are sighing that they do not have any more competitor, any more enemies. Lankala, he's seeing all kinds of things. Intellectual buddhi pradhanan. Intellectual people are there, it seems. Ruchira abhidanan. Good people are there. Nicely, people who speak nicely are there. Samsharaddadanan. Religious people are there. Jagatapradhanan. Important, prominent people are there in Lanka. He's seeing all of them. Nana vidanan. Ruchira abhidanan. Many different kinds of heroes, different kinds of warriors Hanuman is seeing. Tadarsha tasyam puriyatudanam, in the city of demons, city of Yatudhana, city of the Rakshasas. Hanuman is seeing all of these various sights. Nananda drishtva sajatan surupan. There are very handsome looking Rakshasas, it seems. Nananda, at the Batutu, Hanuman is surprised. Hanuman is quite happy. They are looking so happy, looking so handsome. Good looking Rakshasas. Ellam Virupananas illa. Good looking Rakshasas are also there. Not only are they good looking, Nana Gunan Atma Gunan Rupan. They have got many virtues. Good people are also there amongst Rakshasas. Good people are also there. Ade Madri, Vidyotamanas Dadanu Rupan, Dadarsha Kanshishcha Punar Virupan. The same time, complete opposite of exceedingly disgusting in habits as well as in looks. There are people like that also. Many ladies are there. He's looking at some of them. They are all very devoted to their husbands, chaste women. अप्रावृता काञ्चनराजिवर्णाः काचित् परार्तास्तपनीयवर्णाः पुनश्च काचित् शलक्ष्मवर्णाः कान्तप्रहीणाः रुचिराङ्गवर्णाः. Good looking women are there, not so good looking women are there, women that are very faithful to their husbands are there. சில பேர் எப்படி இருக்கா அப்படின்னா ததோவரார்கா சுவிசுத்த பாவாஸ் தேஷாம் ஸ்திரியஸ்தத்ர மகானுபாவாः. விசுத்த பாவாः, women with extraordinarily good character are there present amongst them. பிரியேஷு பாணியேஷு ச சக்தபாவா. பிரியேஷு அப்படின்னா they are very attached to their husbands, and also பாணியேஷு and also to bottles. பிரியேஷு பாணியேஷு அப்படிங்கிற எல்லாத்துக்கும் அட்டாச்சா இருக்காங்க. இப்படியா many such sites he sees, many homes he sees. எல்லாத்துலையும் தேடுறார். ஆனா no matter where he goes he is not able to find Sita. Long story short, அதுதான் மெயின். சீதையை காணும். சில பேரை பார்த்து என்ன பிரயோஜனம்? நத்வேவ சீதாம் பரிபாவிஜாதாம் பதிஸ்திதே ராஜகுலே பிரஜாதாம் லதாம் பிரபுல்லாமிவ சாதுஜாதாம் ததர்ஷ தன்வீம் மனசா விஜாதாம். But in all of those things that he is seeing, Paramabhijatam, born in an extraordinarily noble family, Patistite Rajakule Prajatam, born in a royal noble family, adopting the right path, Pati, Latam Prabullam Eva Sadhujatam, delicate like a blossoming flower in a creeper. Sita Kala and Sita could not be seen anywhere. Sanatane Vartmani Sannivishtam Rameksham Tam Madanaabhivishtam Bhartur Manashri Madanupravishtam Stribhyo Varabhyascha Sada Vishishtam. Sita Patadalalya, Hanuman has not seen Sita, he is imagining how Sita will be. He is searching for Sita without having ever seen Sita. You know, what else could Rama have done? Rama could not have shown him a photo of Sita. No? You go, I will send a photo on WhatsApp. You can identify her. He is only described Sita. And the description of Chinde, Hanuman is coming to find a woman whom he has never seen before. He is searching for a woman that he has never seen before. Adhanal he has to construct a picture of her in his own imagination, his own mind. Adhanal Sanatane Vartmani Sannivishtam. She is ever established in Dharma. Description. How will she look? She is ever established in Dharma. This is characteristic. This is look. This is not an identifying feature. This is how she is. When you are established in Dharma, it automatically gives a certain radiance to the face. Sanatane Vartmani Sannivishtam. Face is not clouded. Cleaner, clearer. Dharma pannindirundha udambu moonji romba cleaner, clearer. As long as we are doing our dharma, our face will be clean and clear. It will not be clouded. Have you seen some people with clouded faces they will have? The clouded face is an indication of clouded mind. Why is the mind clouded? Ullukulla or guilt complex is going on. Why is there a guilt? They are failing in their duty. Therefore there is guilt. What you need to do if you have already done, you will be at peace. That peace will reflect itself through the face. In Srimad Bhagavatam, when Kashyapa Prajapati comes home to Aditi and he sees her face all shrunken, looking clouded, dispirited, the first question he asks her, what happened? Have you failed your dharma in some way? Have you not performed your dharma in some way? List he gives a list of questionnaire. Tick the boxes that apply. Box, I have not treated a guest properly. I have told a lie. I did not light a lamp. List. He says, if you have done your duty properly, then your face should be happy. Why is your face clouded? So, if you want to be peaceful, if you want to be cheerful, if you want to be happy, our duty Kartavyam should be adequately discharged. Otherwise, it will give rise to a knot within us. Sanatane Vartmani Sannivishtam. She is established in the Sanatana Dharma, highest Dharma Larka. Rame Kshanam Tam Madana Vivishtam. She should have a beautiful pair of eyes which are overwhelmed with bhakti and prema for her husband Rama. Bharturmana Shrimad Anupravishta. She has fixed her mind on her glorious husband. Stribhyo Varabhyascha Sada Vishishtam. She is perhaps, because of all of these things, or Chandra, because of all of these things, she should stand out amongst all the women. It should not be difficult for me to identify her when I see her because of all these reasons, because of her inna karanam. Now, one, she is adhering to Dharma. Second, her mind is eternally fixed on Sri Ramachandra. With beautiful eyes, Kanna Cholraringa, beautiful eyes, Edukka eyes now. What is she seeing? Those eyes are only looking for Rama. She is not looking at anything else. Even though she has got beautiful eyes, Vishalakshi, broad eyes, she is not going to be looking here and there. She will be looking in the distance. Divi Vachakshuradatam Amrina. Her eyes will be staring into the blankness, into the distance, trying to pierce through the space and reach Rama. Adanal, with these characteristics, I do not think it will be difficult for me to find her. She will stand out. Stribhyo Varabhyascha Sada Vihishtam. Amongst all the ladies, she will be distinguished. Ushnarditam Sanus Sritasrakantim. Puravararhottamanishkakantim. Sujata Paksham Abhiraktakantim. Vane Pravrittami Vanilakantim. Ushnarditam. She should be shedding hot tears of grief. Sanusritasrakantim. Her throat should be choked because of the tears. The throat that Pura Vararhottama Nishkakantim. Previously, that neck which was adorned with many costly jewels will now be choked with sorrow and grief. Sujata Pakshmam Abhiraktakantim. She with the beautiful eyelashes, the woman with the beautiful sweet voice, now will be lost like a Vane Pravrittami Neelakantim. Neelakanti அப்படினா blue throated woman. Peahen அப்படினு அர்த்தம். Like a peacock's peahen without the husband. She should be wandering like a peahen lost from her husband, wandering in the forest. She should be. Avyakta rekam iva chandra rekam. Pam supradigdam iva hema rekam. Chataprarudam iva bhana rekam. Vayuprabhinnam iva megha rekam. How will she be? Avyakta rekam iva chandra rekam. Like the small sliver of the moon which is barely seen. Tritiya inniki or nakshatra or chandrana paapom illaya. After the new moon day, Amavashai Kapram, Prathama, Dvitiya, Tritiya varudillaya. The third day, aniki dhaan Chandra Darshanam nu solluvom. Ena first 2 days you cannot see the moon at all. New moon day you cannot see the moon. Adukapram first and second days also you cannot see the moon. Finally, the day when you will first be able to glimpse the moon, Chandra Darshanam nu solradhu Tritiya inniki. A small sliver you will see, very hard to see. In contrast, Chaturthi Chandran will be very clearly seen. On the fourth day, Chaturthi, moon will be very clearly seen. Generally, they say fourth day you should not see the moon. Chaturthi moon should not be seen because otherwise all kinds of blame will come upon you even for things that you have not done. Abdinna Kada Chaluva. Krishna happened to see this moon in a reflection, and as a result of it, he was given the blame of stealing the Shamantakamani. The story is narrated. Unfortunately, how it works is Chaturthi enniki kannala patte thiru on the Chandra. Unavoidably, you will see the moon on Chaturthi. Tritiya enniki, it is good to see moon. You can hardly see it. Avyakta rekam iva chandra rekam. How is Sita looking now? Like that Tritiya Chandran she is looking, and I am not able to see. I'm not able to see her. She is as invisible as the thin invisible ray of the Chandra, of the moon. Pam supradigdam iva hemarekam, like a small streak of gold that is covered up by dust. Gold da, small streak of gold is there and it is covered up by dust. The gold panning banwa liya. They go and pan for gold. No, it is mixed with all the mud. In the river Laboi, they will take it and filter it out to get small strips of gold, particles of gold, like that. How is Sita? She is hidden like palm supradigdam iva hemarekam, like palm suna mud, dust, like gold hidden by mud. Chataprarudam iva banarekam, like a scar caused by an arrow wound. Look, arrow is gone and pierced in, it has been taken out. Externally it is formed a scar, internally it is still healing, it is not healed. And the Madri irkam. Vayu prabhinnam iva megharekam, or like a small flicker of a little bit of a cloud which is immediately swept away by a gust of breeze. And the Madriya, he is searching for Sita, she is like that. Okay. Because she is not visible to him. She is so elusive. Valmiki describes Sita's elusiveness as far as Hanuman is concerned through all of these metaphors. Sita amapashyan manujeshwarasya ramasya patnim vadatam varasya babuva dukka vihita vihataschirasya plavangamo mandaiva chirasya. Sita apashyan, unable to see Sita. Manujeshwarasya Ramasya Patni Vadatam Varasya. Manujeshwarasya Patni, Rama, the ruler amongst men, the Rama's wife, Sita, unable to see her. Vadatam Varasya, Hanuman, the highly eloquent one, is now standing very despondent. Babuva Dukka Vihatash. He is filled with great sorrow, great grief, great anguish. Kanume, I have been searching everywhere, I have still not found her. Plavangamo Mandaiva Chirasya. Amrina. Having searched all the external parts of Lanka and not seeing Sita, Hanuman is despondent. The inner city of Lanka is seen by him. Big archways are there. Externally he has searched, so he says, okay, now so far I have not found her, let me move on to the next inner citadel of Lanka. He goes inside. He starts to once again search inner quarters Ladan. All the prominent people, most important Rakshasas are all there. Velilalang commoners are there. All the VIPs are all inside. Aristocratic people are all inside. Segregation is there. Posh locales are all circular arc. From mansion after mansion are there. Huge mansions are all there. Again, he goes on, looks at all the different houses, the mansions that are there in front of every mansion. The owner's name is written. Or a metal board la potu chirpaliya. And mari potu irukka. Amurla irkume. Qualification oda irukkum. Romba avashyam. India la south, I don't know about north, but south especially. The name of the person will be there and BE, BA, B.Tech. வீடு தானே நான் இன்டர்வியூக்கு போகிறேன் வீட்டுக்குள்ளேருந்து எது இன்டர்வியூ ரெஸ்யூமே உள்ள போட வேண்டியதானே பேசாம அது என்னமோ ஒரு பைத்தியக்காரர் தான் பீத்தனம் நான் படிச்சிருக்கேன் MBBS அவன் கேட்டான் அது மனுஷனோட மூளை பாருங்க see how our brains work. அதனால இங்க all the names of all the Rakshasas are written there. Otherwise how do we know whose house it is? மொத்தத்துல ஒரு வீட்டுக்கா போறார். Avaplutyave Mahavega Prahastasya Nivesham. Anga Prahasta. அவன் தான் பெரிய மினிஸ்டர் in Ravana's assembly court la ஒரு பெரிய மினிஸ்டர். Prahasta's house lende Mahaparshva's house, he jumps ஒரு ஹவுஸ்ல இருந்து ஒரு ஹவுஸ் எல்லாம் தேடி டக்குன்னு உள்ள போய் தேடுறார். He looks everywhere. Not there. Next house. அப்புறம் next house. அப்படியே அங்கே பிரஹஸ்தால இருந்து மகாபார்ஷ்வால இருந்து கும்பகர்ணால இருந்து விபீஷணால இருந்து மகோதரா's house to Virupaksha's house, Vidyutjikhva, Vidyunmali, Vajradamshtran, Shukan, Sharanan, Indrajit, जम्बुमाली सुमाली रश्मिकेतु सूर्यकेतु वज्रकाय धूम्राक्षसं पाति विद्युरूप भीम घन विघन सुकानस वक्र शत विकट ब्रह्मकर्ण दंष्ट रोमश युद्धोन्मत्त मत्त ध्वजग्रीव नादि विद्युजिह्व इंद्रजिह्व हस्तिमुख कराल पिशाच शोणिदाक्ष these are all rakshasa names ஒரு நேம் ஒரு வீடா இப்படி தாண்டி தாண்டி போற ரைமிங்கா தான் வீடு கட்டி வச்சிருக்கா பக்கத்துல பக்கத்துல பிரதர்ஸா இருக்கும் பக்கத்துல பக்கத்துல வீடு கட்டி வச்சிருக்கா இப்படியா he goes to all of these houses கடைசில எங்க போனார் அப்படின்னா सर्वेषां समतिक्रम्य भवनानि समन्ततः आससादात लक्ष्मीवान् राक्षसेन्द्र निवेशनम finally he goes to Ravana's house और विड़ा एल्ला एलिमिनेट பண்ணியாச்சு இல்லையா everybody's house has been seen and checked finally he comes to the Rakshasendra Nivesanam the house of Ravana the lord of all the Rakshasas அங்க பார்த்தா naturally since this is the most important one அப்படிங்கிறதுனால a lot of Rakshasas are standing there very army as it were security ஜாஸ்தி அங்க several guards எல்லாம் terrible people அங்க உட்கார்ந்து இருக்காங்க பெரிய பெரிய demons many demons are there elephants எல்லாம் இருக்கு அப்படியே then he goes inside the palace of Ravana and the description of the palace is coming நமக்கு ரொம்ப தேவையில்லை அதெல்லாம் ஏன்னா அழிஞ்சு போயிடுத்து நிக்க நமக்கு படிச்சதா எத்தனை அடிக்க வால்மீகி has given a big description about how the palace was but all of it has been destroyed now அதனால இன்னைக்கு ruins தான் no point in understanding நல்லா இருக்கு வண்டி சாமான் இருக்கு அவங்க வீட்டுல வந்துட்டு போட்டு நமக்கு என்ன போச்சு நம்ம ஒன்றும் கிடையாது உன்கிட்ட இருக்குன்னு இருந்தா என்ன இல்லைன்னா நமக்கு என்ன வந்துருக்கு இல்லையா என்ன சொல்றேன் இல்லை டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன் வேணுமா ஒன்றும் தான் அதுன்னு சொல்றேன் if you're interested then I will give you an inventory of all the things that are there in Ravana's house we don't even know what is there in our house why do we need to know what is there in Ravana's house பாதி நேரம் half the time we do not know where the thing is we are searching all over the place finally we don't know where we have kept it இருக்குன்னு தெரியும் அது இருக்கு இல்ல அது இருக்கு இல்ல அது இல்லன்னு நினைக்கிறேன் I don't think it's there anymore no I'm fairly certain I saw it the other day where that only I don't know but it is there அப்புறம் எங்க பார்த்தாலும் மேல தேடி கீழே தேடி அங்க தேடி இங்க தேடி எல்லா இடத்துலயும் தேடி கடைசியில நம்ம இருக்கிறது நமக்கு தெரிய மாட்டேங்கிறது ராவணநாத்துல இருந்தா என்ன சீதை இருக்காளா தான் மெயினா நமக்கு although so many things are there புஷ்பக விமானம் ஒரு விமானம் இருக்கு இந்த புஷ்பக விமானத்துக்கு ரெண்டு சர்க்கம் புஷ்பக விமானம் that அது திருடி வச்ச சொத்து இது originally belonged to Kubera Ravana what did it was he kicked out Kubera அப்புறம் made sure அங்க ஆர்மிலாம் வச்சு ஆள்லாம் வச்சு வேணா உங்க தனியா போறானே அத சாமாங்கமா சுட்டிட்டு போறானான்னு பார்த்து வேற அப்படி இதை கொண்டாடா அப்படி அத்தையும் வாங்கி வச்சு Kubera was not only evicted from Lanka he was even checked on the at the door to make sure he was not carrying anything with him எல்லாத்தையும் பிடிக்கி வச்சிருக்கான் so Pushpaka Viman was also inside beautiful chariot it will fly in the air it can be driven by the mental command itself அந்த காலத்து artificial intelligence you just have to give commands to it will go on its own இப்ப நம்ம கார் இருக்கு இல்லையா we may wonder how is it possible அப்படினா but today we see cars have come up in such a way most of the cars nowadays are driverless cars to some extent at least to a little bit extent they can drive on their own yeah you don't have to hold the steering it knows that the two lanes are there it automatically curves சிலடத்துல டெஸ்ட் பண்ணி பார்த்திருக்கேன் actually goes I've taken the hands off it actually goes the road is curving and the car follows it and turns அப்படியே you can see the steering turn cruise control இருந்தனா you don't have to touch it அப்ப என்ன அர்த்தம் literally you can close your eyes for a second and say Krishna Rama Govinda Gokula Nandana Govinda அப்படினு பஜனை பாடிடலாம் காரில் கீப் போய் அப்படியே எடுத்து வர அப்போ why will not Pushpaka Vimana be able to do all of these things but in the Pushpaka Vimana நிறைய description கொடுக்கிறார் Hanuman describes Valmiki describes the Pushpaka Vimana as seen by Hanuman ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்குது ரெண்டு சர்க்கமும் அனுபவம் Pushpaka Vimanatoடைய description அப்புறம் crossing that he finally comes into Ravana Anthapuram Ravana's inner chambers இது எப்படி இருக்கு அப்படினா தஸ்யாலயவரிஷ்டஸ்ய மத்யே விபுலமாயதம் ததர்ஷ பவனஸ்ரேஷ்டம் ஹனுமான் மாருதாத்மஜः அர்த்தயோஜன விஸ்தீர்ணமாயதம் யோஜனம் ஹிதத் Bhavanam Rakshasendrasya Bahuprasad Sankulam. He finally entered into the place where Ravana's main apartments are. அது எப்படி இருக்குன்னா அர்த்த யோஜன விஸ்தீரணம் ஆயதம் அயோஜனம் ஹிதது. ஒரு half a yojana long and half a yojana wide. ஒரு யோஜனா அப்படிங்கிறது 8 miles. அப்படின்னா 4 miles wide and 4 miles long. Ravana's palace. அதுதான் பக்கத்திலே புஷ்பகுமாரம் வச்சுருக்கான்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஏன்னா to walk in his palace itself you need புஷ்பகுமாரம் போல இருக்கு. To go from one place to another place in the thing itself you need some kind of vehicle inside. Golf cart மாதிரி ஏதோ வச்சுருப்பான் போல என்னன்னு தெரியல. அதுக்குள்ளே தானே garage, because see the garage is described as part of the palace. garage தான் புஷ்பகுமாரம் இருக்கும் இல்லையா, கரெக்டாக இருக்கு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நம்ம பாட்டில் கூட நுழைஞ்சோடனே garage இருக்கு பார்த்தா. So as soon as you enter in the driveway, garage, then house. Same way, as soon as Hanuman enters into Ravana's palace, first thing garage, Pushpakumaram is there, then he goes inside and sees the rest of the house. House பார்த்தா அது பாட்டு போயிட்டே இருக்கு, miles long house. No, ஒரு யோஜனை தான். Actually, it is half a yojana wide, 1 yojana long. அப்படின்னா 8 miles long, 4 miles wide. அப்படி ஒரு பவனம், ஒரு பேலஸ். இங்க போய் தேடணும். This entire place now has to be church by Hanuman. அப்படின்னா எவ்வளோ அர்த்தம்? 8 and 4 அப்படின்னா 12 square miles. 12 square milesனா எவ்வளோ இடம் வந்து? ஒரு suburb வருமா? Could it possibly include a suburb? Or a little bit of a suburb, maybe a portion of a suburb at least, no? 12 square miles, yeah. What about a palace? Hanuman is searching there for Sita and then goes into a Rakshasi Bishchapatni Bhi Ravanasya Niveshanam Agrita Bishcha Vikramya Rajakanya Viravrutam Tannakra Makara Kiranam Timingala Jashakulam Vayuvega Samadhutam Pannagairiva Sagaram. Valmiki is looking at this through Hanuman's eyes. அப்படின்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஏன்னா is described like this. The Hanuman entered into the palace of Ravana that was crowded with Rakshasis. Who are these Rakshasis? அப்படின்னா Patnibihi, all his wives. Yellam Vikramya Ahritabihi. He has conquered all of them and brought them. He has conquered and brought all of them. They are all Rajakanya Bihi, princesses. Ava ellarum irukkalam. Hanuman eppadi irukku paakradhukku appadina. They are all, the whole place is filled with women. Ravana had so many wives. Ravana had countless wives. And when Hanuman enters into it, Hanuman looks at it and you know what Hanuman feels? It is like an ocean. Sagaram. Like an ocean. And what is this ocean filled with? Tan nakra makara kirinam. Nakra, na crocodile. Makara, na shark. Timingala, whale. Jashakulam, big fish. Vayuvega Samadhutam Pannagairiva Sagaram. Snakes, sea serpents. The path of Irkam to Hanuman, Ravana's palace, Ravana's bedroom looks like a sea that is perturbed by huge waves and filled with crocodiles and sharks and whales and serpents and so on. It is easier to cross that real ocean. Now how am I going to enter and cross this ocean? Appear but a big palace, big room with so many women are present there. And then next to that bedroom was the dining room. Ravana's dining room. அங்க எப்படி இருக்கு அப்படின்னா ரொம்ப அழகா சொல்றாரு இங்க. தத்ர தத்ரஸ்த சதா கந்தம் பானபக்ஷ்யான்ன சம்பவம் दिव्यं सम्मूर्छितं जिग्रद रूपवन्तमिवानिलम्. Anga, from that, next to that bedroom is the dining room, and from the dining room such an aroma of food is coming from that, it seems it is stupefying. Abdiye samurchitam, the senses can come to a standstill. Abdi or aroma. And in fact, how that aroma is abdina? Jigrad rupavantamivaanilam. It is as though the wind has taken a form and come. The cartoon alam. The cartoons alam, there'll be some food will be kept, and your aroma will come from that, and whatever the cat or in the end, it will come and form a finger and say, come. The smoke, the aroma will come in the form of a or the smoke, and it will say, come. Father Gela, have you seen that? Valmiki actually describes it. How is it? Rupamantam iva anilam. Anila abdina, wind. Breeze. How is this breeze abdina? Rupamantam iva, as though it has taken a form. What is the form? The aroma of the food has taken a form and is saying, come. எப்படி இருக்குன்னா சகந்தஸ்தம் மகாசத்வம் பந்து விவோத்தமம் இத ஏஹி த்யுவாச்சேன தத்ர யத்ர சராவணஹம். அந்த கந்தம் இருக்கே, that mighty, that fragrance, how is it அப்படின்னா, it is like a relative coming and inviting his kith and kin. Come இத ஏஹி, come here அப்படின்னு சொல்றா போல இருக்கான். அந்த வாசனை அப்படி இருக்கான். அந்த வாசனை, it is not only with the form, it seems to speak, come அப்படின்னு. And how is it calling him? With a lot of love it is calling. It is calling to Hanuman as though Hanuman is a bandhu. Bandhu na oru relative. Bandhum ivottamam, like a relative coming and calling is another. Vaango ella saapidala vaango appdi paadliya. Come, food is ready, please come, let's all eat. Appdinu, with that casualness, with that intimacy, with that hospitality, the way they welcome him. Like that, this smell itself is coming and saying, come அப்படிங்கிறப்ப. And what did he do அப்படின்னா, itaye hityuvachena tatra yatra sa ravanaha. That smell led him to where Ravana was. அப்படியே again போறார், is going into Ravana's பெரிய bedroom. வேற வழி இல்லை, he has to enter in. And if you're searching, you have to search everywhere. You cannot leave places and say, oh, I have searched around the other day. You never know who's where. Adhanala he has to search every place, so he goes and say. But the description is there, it is so beautiful. All the description is given. I will cut it short by simply saying, Swargoyam devalokoyam indrasyayam puri bhavet siddhirveyam parahisya iti amanyata marutihi. Swargoyam, is this Swarga? Is this heaven? Devalokoyam, is it Devaloka? Indrasyayam puri bhavet, is it Indraloka? Abdina, it is so supreme, it is so beautiful, it is so wonderful. Abdina Hanuman looking and wondering, thinking, where have I come? The Lanka kitane vande. I told all of the monkeys, if I don't find her here, Gamishami Suralayam, in the same speed I will enter into Suralayam, the Devaloka, and search is there. I mentioned to the monkeys, but I didn't realize that some being teleported into Swargaloka itself. Swargoyam, Devalokoyam, Indrasyayam Puri Bhavet. Is it Indraloka? Is this what is called Devaloka? Have I entered in there? No, please come. That's the beauty of this place. Again, thousands of women are sitting there. Sahasram varanarinam nana vesha vibhushitam. Thousands of women have gathered there. They have been drinking and sporting until midnight. They have all fallen asleep. By the time Hanuman has searched everywhere and come, it is almost midnight now. By the time he has come into Ravana's palace, it's almost midnight. By the time all of these women, along with Ravana, they have sported, they have eaten, they have drunk, they are all tired now, they are all falling asleep. Fast asleep. Some people are playing on the veena, tired, they are sleeping on the veena itself. One lady has been playing on mridangam, she has fallen. Tabla, she has fallen. Everybody is sleeping in this manner. Read description of all the women, how they are sleeping in various states of dress and undress. ஒரே ஒரு வார்த்தை மாத்திரம் சொல்றாரு இங்க ஹனுமான் வால்மீகி. யுத்த காமேன தா சர்வா ராவணேன ஹிருதா ஸ்திரியः சமதா மதனேனைவ மோஹிதாः காச்சிதாகதாः ந தத்ர காச்சித் பிரமதா பிரசஹ்ய வீர்யோபபன்னேன குணேன லப்தா ந ச அன்ய காமாபி ந ச அன்ய பூர்வா வினா வரார்ஹாம் ஜனகாத்மஜாந்தாம். என்ன சொல்றாரு அப்படின்னா, except for Sita, Vina Varargam Janakatmajantam, except for Sita, the daughter of Janaka, all the women who were brought there have all come there of their own volition. Nobody came by force, it seems. Na tatra kachit pramada prasahya viryopapannena gunena labda. All the women there have been brought there by the force of his valor, obtained for. He has brought them there by his valor and his virtues. No, he has not brought anybody by force against their will. Nacha anya kama apicha na anya purva. They were not married before. They were not having somebody. They did not consider anybody else as their husband other than Ravana alone. Ravana was everything to them. Apriyathan, all the women are there except for Sita. Anga. What is the nature of all these women? Ella Rakshasisa abdinam Rajarshi Pitra Daityanam Gandharvanam cha Yoshitaha Rakshasanam cha Yakanyas Tastya Kama Vashangataha. All they are all daughters of Rajarishis. Riya, Pitrus, Daityanam, Daityas, they have ella different kinds of. He is very open-minded. Equal opportunities. Equal opportunity employership. அந்த மாதிரி இப்படிதான் அவன் ஜாதியெல்லாம் பார்க்கறது கிடையாது. காஸ்ட் நோ பார் அப்படின்னு போட்டுட்டாங்க. இந்த ஹாரோஸ்கோப்ல எல்லாம் போடுவா இல்லையா, மேட்ரிமோனியல் சைட், காஸ்ட் நோ பார், ரிலிஜன் நோ பார், ஸ்பீஷீஸ் நோ பார் அப்படின்னு விட்டாங்க. whether you belong to ரிஷி ஜாதி or whether you belong to Daityas, Danavas, எதுவாக இருந்தாலும் சரிப்பா, கந்தர்வா, எதுவாக இருந்தாலும் சரி, as long as they want to come, they all come. Some he has shown his prowess, some he has shown his gunas. Showing his prowess, they have fallen for him. Showing his gunas, some people have fallen for him. Everybody has come like that. Apart from Sita, he has not brought anybody forcibly. That is why he was able to live with so much grandeur and splendor until now. Nothing happened to him until now. Everything is going to go south only now because he has gone and misbehaved with a woman who belongs to somebody else. He has not done that, he has been okay. அப்ப அத்தனை பேரையும் பார்த்த உடனே ஹனுமான் கொண்டு தோன்றது, ஹனுமான் thinks, he is happy, he is living so happily with all his wives. Why could he not have left Rama's wife live happily with Rama? இப்படி பண்ணுவானோ ஒருத்தன். How fortunate it would have been if he had allowed Rama's wife also to stay with her husband, just as his wives are staying with him. அது ஒண்ணுதான் அவனுக்கு பெருசா தெரியும். அப்படியா, as he starts searching, he's looking at all those women, but he clearly can see none of them are Sita. That's the explanation. Everybody is deeply infatuated with Ravana. They are all deeply in love with Ravana. Therefore, when he looks at all of them are very happy to be there. They are all very peaceful to be there. They are all staying there as though that is the place they belong to. A sense of belonging, even though they are all asleep. Nobody is awake. They are all sleeping. Including Ravana, everybody is sleeping. But all of them, in their faces, you can see a sense of belongingness is there. Therefore, he concludes, none of these ladies can be Sita. Apadan, that is when Tatra divyopamam mukyam spatikam ratna bhushitam avekshamano hanuman dadarsha shayanasanam danta kanchana chitrangair vaiduryaishchavarasanai maharhastarano petai rupapannam mahadhanai. He sees a separate portion. Angiye or separate partition padi or portion. The same big bedroom itself is a separate portion. Ange there is a very beautiful, almost heavenly divyopamam or divine platform raised, slightly raised area. Ange there is a couch, a bed is there, ஸ்பாட்டிகம் அப்படிங்கிறான். மேட் ஆஃப் அப்படி கிறிஸ்டல் மாதிரி இருக்கான். இட்ஸ் மேட் ஆஃப் கிறிஸ்டல் encrusted with Vaiduria, inlaid with ivory, gold, etc. Exquisite rich covering around it. ஒரு இடத்துல ஒரு umbrella, white umbrella looking like the moon. Made of gold, shining like the sun, decorated with so many flowers. அந்த இடத்துல near there is a ஒரு என்ன சொல்றது, ஒரு fragrance, ஒரு smoke, some kind of a dhoopam. There's a little burner and inside it, so some fragrance has been put in and it's giving rise to that smoke, gentle smoke with lovely fragrance in it. Or incense holder மாதிரி ஒரு burner மாதிரி இருக்கு. அப்படியா ஒரு ஸ்பெசிபிக் இடம் இருக்கு. அங்க பார்த்தா தஸ்மின் ஜீமூத சம்காஷம் பிரதீப்தோத்தமகுண்டலம் லோகிதாட்சம் மகாபாகும் மகாரஜதவாசசம் லோகிதேனானுலிப்தாங்கம் சந்தனேன சுகந்தினா சந்தியாரக்தமிவாகாஷே தோயதம் சதடித்கணம் கிருதமாபரணைர்திவ்யைः சுரூபம் காமரூபிணம் சவ்ருக்ஷவரகுல்மாட்யம் பிரசுப்தமிவ மந்தரம் क्रीडित्वो परतम रात्रौ वराभरणभूषितं प्रियं राक्षसानां सुखावहं पीत्वाप्युपरतं चापि ददर्श च महाकपिः भास्वरे शयने वीरं प्रसुप्तं राक्षसाधिपम्. Again, on that beautiful bed that we have described so far, somebody was sleeping. Who is sleeping? Abdina, mighty armed, the heroic, huge, lying there like a big cloud, bloodshot eyes, flashing earrings, silver robes. The huge body is smeared with sandalwood paste, emanating sweet fragrance. And he looks like a big rain cloud with all the ornaments in between shining like lightning streaks in it. Like a big Mandara mountain, like a mountain that is filled with trees and lot of vegetation, wild bushes. And the madriya, yaar paduthendirukka appadina, who is sleeping appadina, priyam rakshasa kanyanam, the beloved of all of those rakshasa ladies, rakshasanam sukhavaham, the delighter of all the other rakshasas, rakshasadipam, Ravana is sleeping there. Abdina Ravana pakkarar. Hanuman looks at Ravana. Nishvasantam yatha nagam Ravanam vanarshava asadya paramodvigna sopa sarpa subhitavat. Hanuman reaches, sees Ravana lying there, reclining on the bed. And paatha udane enna arthu appadina, is breathing, heavy breathing. Nishvasantam is breathing heavily, is sleeping. அதனால ஈவரா breathe பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கான். Deep அப்படினா அந்த snoring, almost ஒரு snoring சத்தம். ஆனா அது எப்படி இருக்கு அப்படினா, how does it look அப்படினா, it looks as though it is the hissing of a snake. Nishvasantam yatha nagam, like a snake hissing. Ravana breathing itself is like a snake hissing. Ravanam vanarshava asadya paramodvigna sopa paramodvigna apasarpan subhitavat. He immediately drew away from him. He came near him and immediately drew away from him as though in fear, because it looked as though there was a snake that was hissing there. In Ritipom, we will stop here for today and we will continue again tomorrow with the rest of the search. Janaki Kanta Smaranam. Jai Jai Ram. Anjaneya Swami ki. Sarve Bandhu Sukhina Sarve Sundara Ramaya Sarve Vidral Vishnu Bhagavad Bhagavad Lokas Mustasakino Bhantu Lokas Mustasakino Bhantu Lokas Mustasakino Bhantu Shanti 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 Hari Om Tat Sat Shri Sai Shvarat